What's up, guys? So today it's my first time on this street. It's somewhere along Thika Road, yeah, and I want to just like walk from here to that point. I just wanna find out like what's down there. Come with me. Wow, it's been a minute. I'd really missed, like walking around such a place because it gives me the shags vibes. So I'm feeling really nice today. There's some banana trees over here, as you can see. The air is really fresh down here, guys, because there's a lot of plants. I mean, there's banana trees, there's grass, there's blackjacks. It's been a minute since I was out and about, just like going for a little walk. You can hear the birds singing.
Tunaenda
What's up, people? I hope you can spot that. I don't know, an entrance or an exit. It looks like, the place where maybe when dogs are chasing each other, how, I mean, Like when they're coming from that point, I think that's where they pass through. It's really interesting. I don't think people pass there because on this side, this is the end of our journey, yes? So guys, this is the only water we came across in our little nature walk, and I'm wondering where it's coming from because I can't see the source, but there I can see like a drainage system. So I don't even think this is natural water. I think this is like a sewage or something. I was really hoping like we'd come across like even a small water stream, but nah, it didn't happen. And guys, I know some of you don't know tomato tree, so I saw one which is growing naturally, and I want to show it to you. Hey, hey! So have a look at this. This is where tomatoes grow from. For those who do not know this plant, so next time you come across this, in case you don't know this is a tomato tree, don't cut it. It's very important, guys. And that's cassava tree, for those who do not know also. Yeah.
Go.
Hey, hey! So I'm standing in front of a bougainvillea tree. For those who do not know, this tree grows really big, and it also spreads, especially like if it has something to run over, it can grow really long, and it's very colorful, especially during rainy guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much, and I want to remind you to like, share, and subscribe, guys, please. Thank you. Have a blessed day.